Good afternoon, everyone. Billyjack here, coming to you from beautiful Waimanalo, Oahu, Hawaii. One of the most mud-flooded islands in the world. Today, I have a special treat for y'all. I came all the way to the other side of the island to do a pickup. I got a twofer. So I'm here on the backside of the Koolau mountain range. I want y'all to take a good look at this. Just look at those water erosion cuts all the way down the side. Made over the thousands of years here. However, see this area directly, the light green area I'm looking at, maybe a fairly recent addition. So is that one there. So is that bright green spot right over there. Notice the light green color that we noticed on the other side of the mountains, especially at the top. We would have had a large amount of debris come down in this event. Pardon the traffic noise. We got a big one coming right up behind us. I don't get over on this side much. You can see why. This is just like a straight wall. The Poly Pass is the only way through. The rest are tunnels. You had a choice back in the day. You take the slow boat, go all the way around, you go up through the Poly Pass. There ain't no way they're bringing water up the side of this. There's a lot of water around me down here. Imagine living on the other side, but you got to cross this thing to get to the water. Or the majority of it's over here. Billyjack over and out on the north side Koolau mountain range.